I wanted to take a second to help you work through this document that indicates the release days for DCT as well as DCLT. Before I do, I would just like to say once again thank you so much for joining this effort. Thank you for your commitment to the thoughtful integration of instructional technology. I really look forward to this coming year of DCT and DCLT. With that said, starting at the very left, the first tab is going to be your members. You'll take a look and see that here are our DCT members and here are the members of our DCLT or Digital Conversion Learning Team. Our first meeting is going to be just all day for our DCT members to take a look at the goals set by our DCLT members and start to plan for individualized instruction. You will see a pattern here in the fact that our first half-day release for our DCLT members. We have two time frames, 8:15 to 11:15, 12:45 to 3:45, so you'll have to identify where you are in that time frame if you are on this day, and then you'll notice our DCT members will be spending the day with us. Our next round to happen on the 20th will be the other half of our DCLT team. Again, same time frames, 8:15 to 11:15 and 12:45 to 3:45, and then two new members of our DCT. On the 2nd, once again, we are back for planning with our DCT members. And notice the change here, please. On 2/9, you'll see that our time frames have flipped. So if you were 8:15 to 11:15 in the previous iteration, you are now at the 12:45 to 3:45, and just be mindful of that time change, and you'll see that that happens again with our second group. And as always, the all-day support of our DCT members changes with each one, knowing that our DCT members will be responsible for 1 day of helping to instruct and coach our DCLT members. Again, that pattern plays out through the remaining 3 meetings of DCT, DCLT, and second round of DCLT. Again, this can be difficult to navigate as you enter your subs into Frontline. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. Thank you. Have a good day.